That's not right. No, that's so unreasonable. Yeah, well, if you're going to be like this, then I don't want to talk to you right now either. Okay, I love you. Bye.
Amazon customer support?
No, my mother. Guess who she's insisting we invite to our wedding?
Jesus?
If only my brother.
Wait a minute. You didn't invite your brother to your own wedding?
He tormented me my whole childhood. I don't think I should reward that type of behavior with a slice of wedding cake in the shape of the Millennium Falcon.
Try again.
A slice of wedding cake in the shape of a cake.